The reality is that free trade on the continent isn't possible without a technology like blockchain, without stable coins.
If digital wallets all around the world can speak USDC, like a way to transact with all those other people and all those other businesses around the world, sort of that network value that kind of comes with that.
That's the, $20 trillion problem that's being solved, right? Is, money moving around the world in a, faster and more efficient way.
Our formal mission statement, and it's been basically consistent since we founded it, is to increase global economic prosperity through the frictionless exchange of value. And, I think as you make value exchange as easy as the internet, and not just payments, but all kinds of value exchange that happen, it grows economic prosperity and in many, many facets.